Hi everyone, I want to take a moment and show you just a quick tutorial on how to work with the N bases virtual manipulative. So if you take a look, I've already clicked on the link that you see in the PowerPoint, but you'll see that it's pcmathoer.wordpress.com /virtual manipulatives, or sorry, / virtual manipulatives /. So you're going to want to scroll down until you see Multibase N Blocks. We're going to click on that one. Now you'll see that the instructions say to click on the image to the above right to launch the virtual manipulative. So I'm going to click here on this image. And now you'll see that we've decided that once we get in here, you'll see base 3 at the very top. All right, so next thing we need to kind of look at is if we want to change bases. So let's say that we wanted to say look at base 10. So you're going to notice a sign will come up. It'll say, are you sure you want to change? If you hit OK, change base, then it's basically going to clear your current workspace if you had anything on it. So we're going to have base 10. So you can always add a block. So like if we wanted 10 to the power of 0, so I could add just 10 to the power of 0. I could add 10 to the power of 1. I could even add some 10 to the power of 2 if I wanted to. Now, let's say that we wanted to sort these different blocks that we have here. We can go ahead and sort to columns. And you're going to notice that they've decided to move each one of the blocks into their necessary or respective columns. So you'll see that I've got my ones, tens, and hundreds place for each one of these. Open stage means that it's going to bring it back to what it was, right? Sort columns puts everything into columns for you. You can remove a column if you want to. So notice how it's removing the 10 to the power of 2. If I hit add column, now you'll see the 10 to the power of 2s. You can split your groups. So if I say have this group here, I'm going to just highlight. So you'll notice that I click and I'm dragging my rectangular box or my box around what I'm looking. Now it's highlighted and I'm going to go ahead and say split into ones. Right. So that's one option that I can do. I can actually even combine these if I want to. So once again, I'm going to make my box. I'm going to highlight all of these and then I'm going to hit the combine button. All right, I can also hit the split group button as well. So this will take care of it as well. So for instance, if I hit split group, if I select one of my hundreds, I can go ahead and hit split group and notice now that it's split them all into tens. So it's splitting it down into the next smallest place value. All right. So two-tone is if you want to see two different pieces. So that's on that paintbrush here. So plain, they're all the same color. Two-tone, this allows you to have two separate colors, just so you can kind of identify them. If you change a base, so let's say we wanted to change to base 4, once again, you're going to get that indicator at something on your window that'll basically say that you're going to clear the stage. You're going to hit OK. So if you wanted to clear your space, you're just going to go ahead and hit the arrows that are recirculating. So that means we're going to clean that up. We can do sort to columns if we want to. So let's get some things out here. And then we're going to hit sort to columns. And you're going to notice that we have our different columns that we can connect everything together. So you'll see that I have a ones place, a fours place, a 16th place, and then I have a 64th place. As I'm looking at this, and I can notice that all here at the very top. You can always click on help and it'll walk you through a short tutorial to help you change your bases, and it'll kind of give you a short, quick help as well. So you can always click on help and it'll tell you what each button is going to do in order to be able to help you navigate through this. All right. Hopefully you found this video helpful and it will assist you in playing around with this virtual manipulative.